Now, it's no secret I'm a huge fan of these X-rite Colorchecker passports. And it's not really because it's an X-rite Colorchecker passport, it's more what it does. So we all know that color has different temperatures, right? So when you shoot outside or inside or with tungsten light, you have a different color in your images. And you want that color to be neutral in some instances. Sometimes you don't, but in most cases you want it to be neutral. Now, of course, you can use something like a white balance card. But the thing is that only gives you the right color balance. Now, if you want to make sure that all your colors are accurate, you need something like a Colorchecker passport, because then you can create a profile for your camera and your lighting. Now, the question is, Frank, you always tint your images, so why should you use a Colorchecker passport? That's very simple, because I built presets, and those presets give you a certain look. If you make sure that your camera is calibrated via a Colorchecker passport, so it has a profile and the correct color balance, every time you run that preset, you will get exactly the same results. So that's why even when you tint all your images, you should use something like this. Because if your base is correct, your presets will look the same over and over again. So I highly recommend using something like this for continuous results.